Have you ever seen people cook crabs so big, they look unreal? In this video, we are putting 5 crazy crab cooking videos together in one full breakdown. Every video has a different style, cost, cooking method, and final result. Some crabs are boiled simply, some are cooked in garlic butter, some are caught in the wild and cooked on fire, some are served with rich sauces, and the last one becomes a huge village-style curry. For each video, I will tell you what happened, how much it could cost in dollars, how much time it could take, and why that cooking style stands out. Stay till the end, because the final crab feast is the biggest one. Now let's start. Video 1. The first video tests 3 ways to cook a giant king crab. This type of video can cost around $350 to $700. The king crab itself can cost around $250 to $500, and the rest goes into garlic, lemon, salt, ponzu sauce, Coca-Cola, butter sauce, milk, and other ingredients. The full shoot can take around 3 to 5 hours. The first method is the simple control method. Water is heated with garlic, lemon, and salt. The crab is cooked gently so its natural flavor stays clean. When it is opened, the meat looks white, juicy, soft, and flaky. The taste is sweet and fresh. The second method is more experimental. The crab is cooked with ponzu sauce and Coca-Cola. Ponzu gives salty citrus flavor, and Coca-Cola adds sweetness. Garlic, green onions, and chilies are also added. It sounds exciting, but king crab is already sweet, so the soda makes it too sweet. The ponzu flavor also does not go deep enough into the thick meat. The third method is the most entertaining one. The crab is cooked in a huge amount of garlic butter sauce. The pot is filled with milk and garlic butter sauce, then the crab is slowly cooked inside. This method looks expensive, but the result is rich and flavorful. The meat becomes buttery, soft, and more enjoyable. The winner is the garlic butter crab. But the smart lesson is simple. If you are buying expensive king crab, you do not need gallons of sauce. A simple boil with a strong dip can save money and still taste amazing. Now let's move to the second video, where the crab is cooked in the wild. Video 2. The second video is a wild outdoor seafood adventure, where the food is caught, prepared, and cooked near the water. If you already have camping gear, crab nets, fishing line, knives, foil, and fire tools, the cost is not too high. Food items like bait, lemon, garlic, butter, chilies, onions, and salt may cost around $30 to $80. But if you start from zero, the full setup can cost around $150 to $400. The biggest cost here is time, because this type of trip can take around 72 hours. The video starts with crab nets placed in a mangrove creek. Old fish bait is used because crabs are attracted to strong smell. Smaller crabs are released, but finally a good male mud crab is caught. Then fishing begins. A live bait fish is used on a hand line, and soon a strong mangrove jack takes it. Now the meal is ready. Fresh crab and fresh fish. A fire is made using hardwood because hardwood gives long-lasting hot coals. The fish is cleaned, cut deeply on the sides, and filled with lemon slices, butter, chopped garlic, onions, red chilies, and salt. Then it is wrapped tightly in foil so it stays moist and does not burn. The mud crab is cooked directly over hot coals. This gives it a smoky flavor that a normal kitchen cannot give. When the food is ready, the melted butter, lemon, garlic, and chili from the fish become a natural sauce. The crab meat is dipped into that sauce. The crab looks thick and juicy, and the fish is soft and full of flavor. This video is not the most expensive, but it takes the most effort. You need outdoor skills, patience, and time. The meal feels special because it is caught, prepared, and earned. Now let's move to the third video, where one live Alaskan king crab becomes the main focus. Video 3. The third video is about cooking one live Alaskan king crab. This type of video can cost around $350 to $700. A live Alaskan king crab can cost around $300 to $600, especially if it is fresh or shipped. The extra cost is for salt, lemon, butter, ice, water, and filming setup. The full video can take around 1 to 2 hours. The first thing you notice is the crab's size and sharp body. It is covered with spikes, so handling it is risky. The claws are not the biggest danger. The real danger is the sharp shell and legs. One careless move can cut your hand. The next problem is the pot. The crab is so large that it does not fit normally. To make it fit, it is placed upside down, so the legs curve upward inside the pot. The cooking method is simple. The crab is boiled for around 6 to 10 minutes. As it cooks, the shell turns bright orange. That color shows the crab is ready. When the crab comes out, it looks huge. The legs are opened, and large pieces of white meat come out. The taste is clean, sweet, and rich. Good king crab does not need heavy spices. A little butter or lemon is enough. This video proves that when seafood quality is high, simple cooking can be the best option. The cost is high, but the process is easy. You are paying for the crab itself. Now let's move to the fourth video, where crab is cooked with a full seafood boil and special sauces. Video 4. The fourth video feels more premium. It has king crab, crayfish, corn, vegetables, herbs, and 2 sauces. This video can cost around $250 to $600, depending on seafood prices. The king crab is the biggest expense, and the rest goes into crayfish, corn, vegetables, sauces, spices, and firewood. The full process can take around 4 to 6 hours. The cooking starts with a large outdoor pot over a wood fire. Instead of plain water, a flavorful broth is made. Corn, leeks, onions, carrots, dill, lemons, oranges, garlic, bay leaves, black pepper, and salt are added. This broth gives aroma to the seafood while it cooks. Then the crayfish and king crab are added. As they boil, the shells turn bright orange, and the pot starts looking like a luxury seafood feast. The sauces make this video different. The first sauce is an orange and raisin sauce. Onions and garlic are cooked first. Then orange juice, raisins, vinegar, chili sauce, mustard powder, black pepper, salt, and water are added. It slowly becomes thick, sweet, sour, and spicy. The second sauce is creamy. It is made with onion, ketchup, mayonnaise, heavy cream, mustard sauce, chili sauce, and lemon juice. This one is smooth and rich, perfect for sweet crab meat. When the crab is served, the legs are cracked open and dipped into both sauces. One sauce is fruity and sharp, the other is creamy and rich. This video feels like outdoor fine dining. It is not only about eating crab, it is about turning crab into a full seafood experience. Now let's move to the final video, the biggest feast of all. Video 5. The fifth video is a massive village-style crab curry, cooked for a full group. This can be the most expensive video because of the quantity. If around 20 large crabs are used, the seafood alone can cost around $500 to $1,200 or more. With onions, tomatoes, oil, spices, coconut, firewood, rice, and serving items, the full cost can reach around $700 to $1,500. The process can take around 5 to 8 hours. The video starts with the crabs being cleaned. The top shell is removed, the gills are taken out, and the claws are cracked slightly so the gravy can enter while cooking. This matters because thick claws do not absorb flavor easily. Then fresh masala is prepared. Instead of ready-made paste, spices are ground in a traditional way. This gives the curry a stronger and more natural flavor. A huge pot is placed over a wood fire. Oil goes in first. Then whole spices like fennel seeds and mustard seeds are cooked until they release aroma. After that, chopped onions, green chilies, and curry leaves are added. The onions are cooked until soft and golden. Then ginger garlic paste is added. Tomatoes go in next and slowly mix into the base. After that, turmeric, red chili, coriander, and salt are added. The gravy becomes thick, colorful, and spicy. Then the giant crabs are added into the pot. Everything is mixed properly, so the shells are fully covered in masala. Water is added, the pot is covered, and the curry boils over the wood fire. As the crab cooks, the shells turn deep orange red. The gravy becomes thicker. Near the end, coconut spice paste is added. This makes the curry rich, creamy, and full of traditional flavor. When it is ready, the food looks like a celebration. Big crab pieces are served with hot white rice on banana leaves. Everyone sits together, breaks the claws, mixes the gravy with rice, and enjoys the feast. This video is powerful because it is not just about taste. It is about scale, teamwork, tradition, and the feeling of a big meal cooked together. After watching all 5 videos, one thing is clear. Crab can be simple, buttery, smoky, creamy, or spicy, and every method gives a different experience. The first video showed that garlic butter makes king crab rich, but simple boiling is still smart. The second video showed the smoky power of wild cooking. The third proved that fresh Alaskan king crab needs only basic seasoning. The fourth turned crab into a premium seafood meal with sauces. And the fifth turned crab curry into a huge feast. For value, simple boiling with a good dipping sauce wins. For entertainment, garlic butter crab and village-style curry are the strongest. For adventure, wild fire-cooked crab wins. And for pure taste, fresh-boiled king crab is hard to beat. Now tell me, which one would you try first? garlic butter king crab, wild fire-cooked crab, fresh Alaskan king crab, seafood boil with sauces, or giant village-style crab curry? Write your favorite in the comments, and stay connected, because the next food video is going to be even bigger and crazier.